Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today is quick and easy meals, guys. So I'm going to go easy today. I'm not making a big meal. So I'm going to be making empanadas. We have not had empanadas in a long time. Since the last time you guys saw me make empanadas, that was the last time that we had them. So I'm not going to be cooking a heavy meal today, even though it's Sunday. We're just going to go light. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil, because the meat is going to release fat. I just need that little bit because I want to add my onions, my peppers, my cilantro, and I want to refry it. So right now, right over here, I'm cutting some, well, they're not yellow, orange peppers, bell peppers, to add to our meat. So I'm just cutting about half a one. So guys, Quick and Easy Meals is a collaboration hosted every Sunday by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Debbie Bubbles, and myself, Deborah Cabasa, Home Living. Guys, if you want to participate, all you have to do is record a video, mention the host, link up in the description box, and use the hashtag Quick and Easy Meals 24 so we can find you and put you on the playlist. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. So I'm chopping some cilantro. I love the flavor of cilantro, guys. I'm telling you. I also have my own homegrown oregano, Spanish oregano. And I also have Peruvian oregano. It was my sister, the last time we had a tea party, my sister's friend brought me some. And I got both. They both are doing great. But I'm not going to have oregano here. So I'm going to chop a couple of garlic cloves. Just going to chop a couple of garlic cloves. And you could make these empanadas however you want. You could use ground chicken, ground beef, ground pork, ground sausage, however you like. My meat of choice is ground turkey or chicken. I do not have any ground chicken. I had some, but I used it. I made pasta, so I used that for my pasta. I made pasta last week. Even though I didn't share the video with you guys, but yes, I made pasta last week. So right now I'm going to chop this garlic. I don't know if I have mushroom. If I do, I will add mushroom here as well. I will chop them up in little pieces. And guys, this is what I call finger food. You know, something simple. You eat like 2 or 3 of these, then you're good to go. And they're filling, guys. They're very filling. They're easy to do. Not a complicated meal at all. And the best thing is they are delicious. And kids love them. And you don't have to kill yourself all day on a Sunday dinner in the kitchen. Add some garlic there. I hope you guys are doing good. That is looking good. So let's see what else I want to add. Oh my goodness, where is it? Oh, right in front of my face, guys, right in front of my face. I'm going to add sofrito. 1, 2 teaspoons. Guys, I wish you could smell the way this smells right now. Oh, it smells delicious. All right. I don't want that to cook and caramelize, because in there I'm going to be adding my meat. Yes, my meat is frozen, so it's gonna cook slowly. I'm just going to place it in there, turn it down, and let it cook. And that's it. That eats to it. And of course, I gotta add some black pepper for flavoring. And I will add a little package of sazon. All of this, I'm going to show you what a mix is going to look like when it's all done. And also we're going to add a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of this. When you use this, you got to be careful because this contains salt. And if you have high blood pressure, it's delicious. It tastes good. It gives the food a good flavor, but you got to be very careful with it. Thank God we don't have that problem here. But I am going to add this. About half a teaspoon. And that's it. I'm going to cover it. I got my, we're going to be using, this is what it looks like. These are the 5-inch. They have the large one. I believe they're, I know they're 10 in here, but the large one, I can't remember how wide they are. I don't know if they are 7-inch or 8-inch round, but these are small ones. And this is just perfect, guys, just perfect. And they already come seasoned. They have the dough that comes like this. They comes with, see, this one says with anato. Yeah, anato. And then they have the one that doesn't have it. There's just the color, natural color of dough. So guys, I also use these ones without the anato on it to make danishes. I make apple danish, apple fried danish. You could fry them or you could bake them. I also use the cream cheese with the guava paste, and I make my danishes as well. But today we are just going to be doing empanadas. So let that be cooked, and meanwhile we're going to move on to the next step. This is what our meat looking like. It smells wonderful. Loaded with onions, peppers, garlic. It smells really good, guys. Of course, the meat is still raw. We're gonna cover it. Going to let that cook. I don't think, you know, I was gonna check for mushrooms, but I completely forgot. But I don't think I have any. So I don't have any mushrooms, so I didn't add any to them. Yeah, guys. So we're going to let that keep cooking there. Meanwhile, I have a frying pan here in the back with some nice clean oil, and I will start heating that up once this meat is done, and I start making my empanadas. So right now, let's put up the fire a little bit and let that cook. So I will see you in a little bit. Okay, for this part, you're going to need a small spoon, a teaspoon, and a fork. I mean, if I would have been making the large one, I would have used this spoon, but I don't want to use this one because it's going to go all over the place. Just take a teaspoon. I mean, you could even do this one with cheese. They call them pizzas, pizza, pepperoni, plain cheese. Then I think I got quite a bit in there, so let's see. I leave the plastic because the plastic would help me. So I think I got quite, like I told you, I haven't made it in a while, so I think I overstuffed them, but it's all right as long as I could get them closed. For when I fry them, they won't come undone. And make sure that when you use your fork, you pinch them, that they're actually stuck together. Or once you start frying them, they will come and they will unravel. See, like on this side, if I didn't look, it ain't stuck. So that's why I like to flip them and do it with the fork both ways, guys. So it will be nice and all right. So there you guys have it. That one is nice and close. So I have the plastic over here. What I'm going to do one more with you guys. I mean, I'm not going to use all this meat because obviously this is a lot of meat. So what I do is I save all the rest of the meat for when I make pasta. And I just add some sauce and more other things and make some meat pasta. And I'm making them all 10 of them because I know my husband is going to eat quite a few. I will eat like maybe 2 or 3 through the day. And the rest he will take them for his lunch to work tomorrow. All right, turn it around. And I will pinch it on both sides. My oil is heating up. You want to make sure your oil is hot because you don't want them to drop them in there and they're going to absorb all that oil. So I'm going to continue doing that. When I'm done doing that, I'll bring you guys right back, okay? All right, guys, so my oil is hot. And I'm just going to start dropping them in there. This is going to get done really fast. They get done quick because remember the meat is already cooked. So all you have to cook is basically the shell. So I'm just going to put those in there. Grab my thing here. Let me get rid of the trash. I like to clean as I go along. Also, let's grab a plate. Do you want to have a plate with some paper towel for drainage? To absorb all the grease. I hope you like my recipe. See? Going to flip them already because like I told you, this gets done very quickly. Basically 3 minutes, not even 3 minutes in each side. You can see it from there. You know, sometimes I wish I have a light up here, but I don't. I still have a little bit of meat left in there. Not a lot, but enough that I could actually put it on my beans when I make beans. You know, so I'm going to let it get completely cool. I'm going to put it in a little plastic container and I'm going to put it in my freezer. Because tomorrow, Monday, I'm making lamb. Yeah, guys, see how simple this is? Oh, by the way, I want to give a shout out to Kathleen. She sent me a friend package. I received it today. And guys, I am so happy what I received. I'm going to be going live today, which I'm recording this Sunday video on Tuesday, but I'm going to be going live and show you what I got. So, yeah, guys. So let me continue with that, and then we're going to come back to the final reveal. All right, guys, are you ready to see my final reveal? And here they are, my empanadas. Ooh, drop one. Anyway, guys, as you guys can see, I cut one right here. And guys, I am not editing that out. I want you to guys see that I dropped one. But it's plenty for my husband and I cut one and that's what it looks like. You could do this one with cheese, like I said, anything that you want to use on the inside of it. So guys, let me leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bon appetit. Bye-bye, guys.